What's going on, guys? FTC Marion here along with...
I mean, it's me, Mr. Aura Man, okay?
And
Josh's girlfriend.
there it is. Today we are unboxing the Crosse, what is this model number? S83301-1.
Why are you unboxing a sport?
I don't know. Alright, let's get into it. Actually, let's go over the box first. Something here, something there, something there.
Is it just a giant cardboard rectangle?
Yes. It's a giant rectangle. At least it's a banana and not a pill.
Wait, your new weather radio is a banana?
I guess, if you want to call it that. Alright, let's get back in.
It's probably banana colored.
I don't know if I can do this with one hand. If I could open the cardboard rectangle with a... Oh god. At least it's not a clamshell, thank god.
They're just gonna start calling boxes cardboard rectangles now.
Alright, here's the radio itself. We got the charger. Oh, Mount Holly just issued a SPS. Got a power adapter.
What kind of sun protection factor is Mount Holly doing now?
I don't know. We got the lanyard. And we have the instruction manual. Okay.
Where's the radio? Is it still in view?
Yeah, I got the video right. It's
okay.
Right. I don't have my camera on, so.
Yeah.
This is the radio. Just press all the buttons, I guess, to wish you good luck in service, I guess.
I will press a button.
There you go.
There I have pressed the button.
The antenna. Let's take this off the screen. Wait 1 second. There we go. There we go. Alright, let's plug it in over there. In a non-existent word you all can't see.
Well, you're going to be plugging in something to the wall now.
Yep. A non-existent world that is part of my house. Wish I had a tripod to make
you're
this...
plugging it into the fourth wall?
Yeah, I'm plugging this into an invisible wall, basically.
Yeah, so you're plugging it into the fourth wall.
Yes, basically. It's the wall of the abyss.
Yes, the fourth wall, also known as the wall of the abyss.
Yep, we got the wall of the abyss. Let's unplug that stupid fan.
I'm just gonna call it the fourth wall since it's not visible.
Alright, how about if I just turn on my camera? So, oh, yeah, Google Chrome, go ahead, I don't care. If it'll even do it. Oh, there we go.
You really have never done this before, so.
There you go. Alright. We ready? Or, I know you've never seen what I look like.
I'm just not gonna question to the fact that your shirt is invisible.
Alright,
He doesn't wear a shirt.
Oh, I plugged it into the wrong jack.
No, he just wears an
There we go.
invisible shirt.
Yeah, I'm not shirtless Gibby, so don't even say it.
Yeah, we need to make sure that people are wearing shirts even if they're invisible.
Okay, let's get Case. Actually, let's go up a...
Turn short, including Exmoor, Onley, C15, and Pocomo this afternoon. Partly sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. West winds around 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour.
KJ199.
Miles an hour, gusting to 25.
Alright. got that. It's also got FM radio, which I will go over right now. Turn it back on. Let's go to...
What else do we have?
Let's see. I'm not getting copyrighted. Screw that. Alright.
Well, I am going to drop out of this video since I have something else I have to do.
I mean, this is really the end of it, so. This has been SPC Marion here along with...
Mr. Aura Man, that I probably will call myself for every future video.
And... Josh's girlfriend. And this has been a unboxing of the Crosse S83301. See ya. Bye.